Welcome to Myla Biotech Chemicals. Today we are experimenting on a white bed sheet. See here we have taken white bed sheet. From the one bed sheet, same bed sheet, we have taken three pieces. 1, 2, 3. So in the three pieces, we are sending second pieces for retail top detergent powder. Third piece will goes to the Purex wash. This is our Purex. This is top detergent powder. So we will see here how dirty or stain removing, and whiteness of the fabric also we have to observe here. So on this we are making a experiment. So now I am doing I'm taking 5 grams of top retail detergent powder, 5 grams. Yeah, see here, 5 grams I am adding into this, and 5 grams Purex. Yeah, 5 grams Purex 100 we are adding into this beaker. So this is second piece, second one we are putting into this beaker, and third number we are putting into this beaker. So after 10 minutes of washing, after 10 minutes washing, we will show you the whiteness of the fabric and stain removing of the fabric. So after 10 minutes we will see. After 10 minutes of washing, we will see the results. This is a retail top detergent. This is a retail top detergent. Number 2, second piece. After drying, this is the actual bed sheet without washing. So this is first number. So this is third number with Purex 100 ml wash. This is the whiteness after washing, and this is a retail top detergent, second number, retail top detergent results. So if you compare to retail detergent, 20% 25% better whiteness is showing in Purex 100L. And if you see normal without washing bed sheet, after washing with Purex 100L, you can able to see the whiteness and brightness of the fabric. Thank you for watching.